Okay, so I'm recording this second video. The first one was just a quick introduction, and if you didn't see that introduction, you can find that link to it on the email. But this will be the instructional video for step one, which involves downloading the map files that you'll need, moving the files to a better location, and then opening that project to make sure it all looks right. As it says in the email here, there is a Google Drive folder you will use to download the map package. And then once you have the map package downloaded, then I'll show you how to move the files, and then you'll open the proper one for getting started with the project. All right. So to do this, you'll just simply follow the link that's on the email, and that'll open this drive location. The file you're looking for is this file right here. It just says Mississippi River, but if you hover over it, it'll say Mississippi River 1880s Survey Digitizing Map Package. Okay, so start by downloading this, and I would recommend that you download it to, it can just go to the downloads folder, would be perfectly fine. And this might take a few seconds. I guess mine downloaded pretty quickly here. Once you open this file, what it'll do is it'll build a full project, but unfortunately the project goes into the My Documents, which isn't a good place for it. So you do have to open it up once, and as we look at the instructions one more time here, this is the first part is just simply downloading it from this folder. The second part is moving the files, which we'll get to next. So it opens properly, everything looks okay. This should look familiar from that introduction. Here's all the work that's already been done, and then all the sheets that we'll be working on are south from there. Okay, one thing we'll notice though is all of these files, if we open one of these and go to the properties and the source, this has now gone into a location that's not ideal. The database source is on the C drive, user in My Documents, and that's just not such a great spot. So it created all of the files we need. I just want to have you move them. So once this opens, go ahead and close it. And then let me just make sure. I hope this is going to work right. Let me just see here. So then we'll go to the documents, the location that it says. Let's put it in the documents here, ArcGIS, and then packages. And we're looking for the one that's Mississippi River surveying, this digitizing. And really what we want to do is take this entire folder. So right click on this, copy, and then we'll just put it right onto the C drive and then paste that. Take just a second. It'll take just a second to copy in. It will nest in here, and for everything from this point forward, you're going to work from your C drive on this Mississippi River folder. So to open the project again, it's been my experience that when you double click on this, you go to the P20 folder, and then you'll see there's this point digitizing MapX, MAPX file. And when you double click on that, it should open that project in the exact same way. Now let me just, while that's opening, I'll pause on this. Later on for step 4, after you've done your digitizing, you've checked your work, you will simply be uploading this file, this geodatabase to the Google Drive location, and that's how we'll back up and share the work for each of the map sheets that we complete. But that again, that'll be step 4, but just so you'll know where that is. C drive, the Mississippi River folder, in the P20 folder, and then it'll be in here. But I'll give those instructions later. Alright, for now, let's just double check. It looks like this project properly saved in the right way. We've got the files moved to the right location, so let's just go down this list, download the package, move the files, and open the project. Really, that's it for step 1, and in step 2 I'll show you how to add the actual points.